Good morning. Once again, time to trade and let's get this rolling. So, gotta go to work pretty soon. So, once again, this will be very quick management. Don't need to do too much, but I am gonna roll this down. Yep. Let's see. Market took a little bit of a tumble today, which not too surprising after the rally. What? Where's my... there it is. Yep. Alright. Yeah, I'm not very surprised after the rally. This is... Oh, how did... Yeah, that's what I is. Okay, cool. No. Yeah, so I had both of my IRA and my... Yeah, both were displaying. So I think I rolled up yesterday. Still in a good position there. Let's see. I rolled yesterday too. Oh no, I didn't touch M yesterday. And M is down a fair amount. It's been in the strikes the whole time, but I'm not going to do anything. So we're just going to let it ride. OIH, we just rolled yesterday. The idiot. The village idiot. Still stuck in OKE. What's probably going to wind up happening is I'm going to be holding that until nearly expiration. Oh. Hey, how about that? Let's roll this up. Market down. Let's see what it looks like if I roll this up to here. Okay, nah. They're only going to give me 15 cents for rolling up, even though the market's down. So, we're not going to do it, because I don't feel like doing it. Nope, don't feel like it. Not worth my time and effort. Yeah, nope. And AT&T. Okay. Nothing to do in AT&T either. So, just waiting. Just playing the waiting game. USO. On a down day, there's definitely not going to be anything in USO. And then, of course, X. X marks the spot. Cool. And XLE. I don't think there's going to be anything in XLE either. No, that's XLE. There we go. Okay. Yep, nothing to do in XLE. I'm actually in a really good spot on XLE. So, okay. Nothing much to do there. I did want to add a trade. So my deltas are getting a little bit high here compared to my theta. So I do want to add something to temper my trade. So maybe 51. Do I have Microsoft and the other? Nope. Okay. Let's do a trade on Microsoft. We'll do the 35.30. Oh, we can widen it out a little bit. Yeah, that seems good. So collecting 170, risk 330, and just straight up regular iron condor. See if that goes. I'm not going to force it, but that should give me slightly negative delta. Oh, that's actually going to give me positive delta. Forget that. I don't need more positive delta. I don't have any trades in diamonds here. Let's take a quick gander. Diamonds. Oh, wow. Lots of downside skew today. Okay. Yep. Wow, market's very skewed. So, looks like most of the probability is to the downside today. Market's trying to find a good bottom at the moment. So, we are going to do wow. IV is off the charts here, man. Okay. So, that's a little bit too far. Let's get some upside. I want to get this to be a little bit higher up. And then we'll bring this in. See if we can get, okay, 180. What's our delta? Yeah, delta's pretty flat. What if I just, what if I just did that? And then I'll wind up with a positive delta. That's annoying. But it is in line with my premise right now. You can bring this up here. Collect 134. Still be just inside the expected move. Whatever, I'm not really comfortable with that trade at the moment, so I'm just gonna move to my other portfolio and we'll wrap up trading here and I can go to work. So, nothing to do. Nothing to do in the other positions either because those are bullish, so I'll have stuff to do when the market goes up. Diamonds. Wow, that's so far in the money, it's kind of incredible. Disney, let's check yet. Oh! Disney, I believe, was one of the newer trades. And Disney's doing fine, so it's right at the money. If the market makes a bounce, I might roll one of those sides down. IWM, Qs, SPY. I don't think there's anything to do in SPY. Yeah. Nope. Another down day. Oh, it's a down day. I can definitely roll this up. Yeah, we're gonna roll that up, collect 43 cents. Hell yeah. Yeah, we'll collect 40 cents. And I believe, is that it? Oh, no, I've got Tesla. Tesla's up money today. That's interesting. How am I up money on Tesla today? fascinating. IV, that's what it is. The IV ranks so low in Tesla now. So the IV is collapsing even though Tesla's price is dropping. That's interesting. So looks like this is a long ways out of the money. I'm gonna leave it and wait for Tesla to bounce, and then I'll roll that down. So I just want to be capitalizing on any moves up or down. I made a lot of money on Tesla this year so far. I made like $300. So, anyways, that's it for the day, guys. 10 minutes to manage my portfolio today, and I didn't really add any new positions. Didn't find anything that I wanted to be short, and wasn't seeing great pricing in diamonds for the trade I wanted. So I'm going to hold off because I'll just do it on a day when I have a little bit more time. Anyways, have a wonderful day.